The age of robots is now, and the more people interact with them, the more they'll realize the value of humanless interaction. But what exactly is a bot? A bot is a computer program that automates certain tasks, typically by chatting with a user through a conversational interface. Bots plug into messaging apps that have even surpassed social media platforms in usage, and play into a larger shift we're seeing in consumer behavior. People shop and buy in a world of immediacy. Messaging is how they communicate. Bots meet users where they already are. No app download or URL necessary. That's the superpower of bots: efficiency. Then, when bots are linked with a CRM, they get even smarter, leveraging past conversations to personalize their responses to your unique situation and preferences. Bots offer businesses the opportunity to have one-to-one conversations at scale, and for customers, a better way to interact with brands.